Let us start. This is our construction. Another construction. Is it? I think it is the fourth one. Is it the fourth one? Fourth one or fifth one?
Ma'am, the fifth one.
Fifth construction. Construction of special angles. Construction of special angles. Construction of special angles. Angles or special measures, that you write. Construction of angles of special measures. Special measures. Angles of special measures. Okay. See, children. See. We have obtuse angles, acute angles from angles 1 to 360. Okay. So some, you know the angles, but some angles without using protractor, we can construct. We can draw without using protractor. Okay. You know what is, you know how to draw angle with a protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever we need to draw one angle of any degree measure, we use our protractor. Okay, but some angles we can draw without using protractor, that is using compasses. Okay, children? Using compasses. Those angles are of special measures. That means 60, 90, 120 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. All these angles we can construct only using compasses. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this one we are not using draw. We will not use the word draw. We'll use the word construct because we are constructing it. Okay, constructing with a compass and a ruler. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we do?
Yes,
In that, first one is 60 degree. Okay. 60 degree angle. That is our first one. 60 degree angle. 60 degree. 60 degree. Will you listen to me now? This one we are constructed. We won't tell that we won't use the word draw. Okay, we are constructing the angles. Clear, children?
Yes,
Constructing. Okay, so we are constructing 60 degree now. Listen to me. Okay, so first of all, I will explain to you. Listen to me, and if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Very easy. Okay, children. So for all the angles, whatever we are drawing, we need one baseline. Baseline for angle. We need one baseline, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That baseline we can give any name. Anna, not listening.
Yes.
Okay, AB. Okay, children. This is the baseline for drawing angle. Now listen. Now we should take our compass. Listen to me. We should take our compass. Take our compass and keep it at A. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it at A. 1 second. Let me change the color of the ink. Okay. Keep it at A. And we need one arc here. We need one arc. Any measurement, compass, any measurement. We can draw one arc here. That arc should touch that baseline like this. One semicircle you can draw. Clear, children?
Yes.
So what I have done, I have drawn a semicircle. Touching, it should touch the baseline. It should cross the baseline. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And point where it crosses the baseline, no? That is AC. C. Can you see C point? Point C?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And without moving the compass, I have taken 4 centimeter. Can you see 4 centimeter here?
Yes,
4
ma'am.
centimeter.
Yes,
So that same mark, that is a very important point. Same radius. You should not move your compass a little bit. You won't get 60-degree angle properly. Since I have taken 4 degree, 4 centimeter, the same 4 centimeter, keeping the tip at C. Keep the tip at C, compass pointer at C, and the same 4 centimeter, you should cut this semicircle here. Did you understand?
Yes,
First of all, we have drawn a semicircle with any measurement. And with the same measurement, without moving the compass, from the point C where it touches the baseline, from the point the same radius, that is very important. The radius should be same. We should draw the arc, cutting the semicircle. Okay, children? And that point is A, C, B, I'll give X. That point is X. Okay. And take our scale again. Ruler. Again. And through A and X. Can you see I have kept A and X there? Can you see? We are
Yes.
joining A and X. Okay, children, at A and X. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 60 degree. It will be correct 60 degree. After drawing, you measure it. It will be correct 60 degree. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. What is our procedure? You have to draw a semicircle. First of all, draw a baseline, then a semicircle. Semicircle. And this now with the same radius from at another point C where it touches the baseline, from there with the same radius you cut an arc. That is 60 degree. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, will you measure with your protractor?
Yes,
Will you measure with your protractor?
yes,
We can
ma'am.
do it on the any side, right?
Yes.
And we can draw the circle on any side.
Any side.
Ma'am, can you show the
Suppose
board?
I have kept that from A. You can kept from B. If you want, I'll draw it once again and show you. From B. Shall I? Okay.
Ma'am, second one also we have to draw.
No, I have showed you. Just same here. Very easy. Can you see? The same radius I have kept.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
This. Okay. Altina, did you draw the baseline?
Yes, ma'am.
And take a radius at your compass. Just take a radius. If it is 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter, whatever it is. No need of measuring. No need of measuring. Altina, you just take your compass and draw an arc. Draw a semicircle. Now, one long arc. No need of even semicircle also. One long arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Then that long arc will cut that baseline, right?
Yes, ma'am.
At one point, this point,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
point, give any C or D or something, this point. Okay. Now keep your, take your compass, the same measurement, take your compass, don't move the compass and keep it C. Keep it C.
Okay, ma'am.
And cut an arc in the semi, that long arc which you have drawn earlier, previous.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
That is 60 degree. Now will you measure and see whether it is 60 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show the board?
Ma'am, it is exact 60 degree, ma'am.
If you have drawn without any fluctuation in radius, you will get the correct 60 degree.
Ma'am, so for each degree there are different constructions, right?
No. Different constructions, but only some angles we can construct like this. Not
Okay,
all the angles. Not all the angles. Some
Okay,
special
ma'am.
measures.
Okay,
Did you
ma'am.
measure, all of you? After
Yes,
drawing,
ma'am.
did you measure?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, what is, how will you get it? I'll show you. See, children, when we draw this one, where if I join this, can you see?
Yes,
If I join this is an equilateral triangle because
Yes,
three sides are equal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We have kept the same radius here, the same radius here. So this, when you join this, we will get an equilateral triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So what is the degree measure of an equilateral triangle? 60 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 60 degree, 60 degree. Isn't it? That is
Yes,
why you are getting, that is why we are getting 60 degree there. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So this, when if I join this, if we join this, we will get an equilateral triangle here. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. So all angles will be 60 degree for an equilateral triangle. That is why you are getting this corner 60 degree and this corner also 60 degree, this corner also 60 degree. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Will you draw it once again?
Yes,
One more
ma'am.
time?
Yes, ma'am.
One more time, because 60 degree only once we can draw. One more time you draw. And after that, I'll take the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Give any
Ma'am,
different
if we
name.
got the correct 60 degree, should we draw it again? Ma'am, ma'am, you said that we should draw it again.
You construct 60 degree once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Then only you will study it, because only one time, 2-3 times if you draw, you will be thorough with it.
Ma'am, one more 60 degree, right?
Yes, same construction. One more time. Give a different name. Cat, rat, like that. Okay. Create. We need only three. We need only three digits. Sorry, 3 letters. So any car, like that.
Ma'am, how many degrees?
Right? Construct 60-degree, Nihal, the same construction once again so that you can thorough with it. You will be thorough with it, okay? Same, 60-degree. Don't use protractor. Construct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes, ma'am. I'm finished.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed.
Okay, children, completed?
Yes,
One more 60-degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, show me your drawing. Show me. Andakrishnan, Altina. Okay. Andakrishnan, okay. Abhiday, not seeing. Who is this? Arjun Krishna. You have drawn the triangle also. Who told you to draw the triangle? Arjun? That for explanation I have given you, right? Even Shravana also. What is this? No need of drawing that triangle angle.
Ma'am, I have not drawn the triangle.
Yes, Shravana, why did you join that? Not that side you have to join. See? Shravana, look at here, look at here. Where is the vertex of the triangle? Shravana, show me your drawing first. Where is the vertex of the triangle? Which side you have drawn, child? Why you have drawn in the middle? Shravana? Shravana? Yes, Harriet, I have seen. Shravana, show me your drawing first. Yes, Ananya. Yes. Devika. Arjun Krishna. Red triangle you should not draw. Where is Shravana? Has she gone? Yes, Smriti. Yes, Anna. Yes. Harriet also. Ashish, not visible properly. Yes, Ashish. Okay. Shravana is not seeing. Okay, Brisa. Arun. Yes. Geetika also. Where is Shravana?
Ma'am, she left the meeting.
Okay, maybe she is drawing. Her drawing was incorrect. Okay. Okay,
ma'am.
children. When Shravana comes, you tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, see, children, on your drawing the triangle, that is for explanation I have given you. From the vertex, what Shravana did is, she joined this one, this one, this one. Okay, she joined this. Actually, you have to join from the vertex, from one end point, right? The end point which we have taken to draw. The end point which you have taken to draw, that you have to join. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, shall we do the next construction?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Next
Ma'am,
construction is, yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, Nihal Mustafa.
Anihal, show me your drawing first. Who is this now, Omega?
Ma'am, Namaste.
Namasya. Okay. Okay. Stravana is not seeing. She went somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Where is she?
Ma'am,
She's
she's
not
not
there.
classroom.
Devika entered. After correcting, I can take the next one. But where is she? When she come, how can I take the next construction? She is not there. Okay, children. Shall we do?
Yes,
When she
ma'am.
comes, I'll explain it. So second construction is 120 degree. Okay, children. Next is 120 degree. How will you construct 120 degree?
First draw a base.
Baseline is important. And children, the same steps we have followed for 60 degree, no? The same thing you have to do here also. Okay, will you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
After that you do. Otherwise, you won't listen to me. You are busy in drawing. You won't understand properly. Listen. So first of all, we have to draw a baseline as usual. Isn't it the baseline? The baseline, then give a, and this is one ray. So it is AB. Okay. Now, how did you draw 60 degrees, children? What is our step?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first,
we need to draw
An arc.
an arc.
Any
measure arc.
measurement, one arc, any measurement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same step we should do here also. The same what we have followed in 60 degree, the same steps. Okay. Okay, children, see same. I have drawn one semicircle, no change. Clear? Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Then this point you give any X or Y or something. See, I will give one C, this point. Okay? Altin, are you drawing? I told you to listen to me.
Yes.
Okay then. Now, how did you draw 60 degree? Same steps. We have to draw 60 degree. For drawing, we should draw 60 degree first. For drawing 120, we should consider 60 degree first. Clear, children?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
So the same steps, same steps. So this up to this we have drawn for 60 degree, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
And we give it as X. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
children? And the same measurement, don't move the compass. Can you see that X point?
Yes, ma'am.
And keep the point at, keep the compass at X. Same measurement. Three measurements should be there. One semicircle, one radius, and the same radius you should follow for this. You don't even touch the compass. Don't spread the compass. Don't move the compass. The same measurement, you should cut one more arc in the semicircle. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So 60 degrees, one arc you already made, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That arc, when it touches a semicircle, that point is X.
Okay.
Up to this, we will draw for 60 degree. When you join this A and X, you will get a 60 degree, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If we join A and X, you will get 60 degree. But we are not joining A and X. What happens is, we will keep our compass at X and draw one more arc here. Clear, children? Cutting the semicircle once again. So two cuttings. Okay. So that point you give us Y. Two cuttings, and Again, we will take our scale and join this. When we join, 1 second. 1 second, children. Let me join it. Okay. When you join this, sorry. Sorry. 1 second, children. 1 second. Will you join that points? Which are the points? You will get 1 second. 1 second. I wrongly joined this. 1 second. I'll explain this again. Okay. What is our steps? Will you tell?
Ma'am, first we have to draw a line segment.
Okay. Let me draw it once again because I joined that thing. We have to draw a line segment. Then
Ma'am, then we have to
take
draw
our
an arc.
compass. Take our compass and keep
Draw
it
an
to this point. Point A.
Draw an arc.
Draw an arc. Draw an arc which should cut the baseline. And that point you give us X or C or something, C. This point is A and this ray is B. And again you have to move the compass and keep at C. Keep at C and cut the arc here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That point is X. And keep our compass there in X. And once again you have to cut the previous arc. Clear, children?
Yes,
So two
ma'am.
cuttings. And join this and this. See, here I wrongly joined the scale, kept the scale somewhere and joined previous session. Okay, will you join this? This. Now it's okay. Clear, children? This A and this point. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand? This
Yes.
is 120 degree. This when you measure, you will get correct 120 degree.
Can you draw?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shravana not reached.
Yes, ma'am. It's perfect.
Is it perfect correct 120 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now, will you do it once again from the other side?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this, we have kept in the left side, or sometimes you may kept at the right side. So, you can do the same thing when you keep the compass at the right side. Next point, both endpoints. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
So, we have constructed 90 degree and 120 degree.
Ma'am, 60 degree and 120.
Sorry, 60 degree and 120 degree. Now next is 90 degree. After that 45 degree. Then 135, 75. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I wind up, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So tomorrow also we have class.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, will you draw 120 degree once again? And I have given you homeworks also tomorrow. Tomorrow I won't get. Tomorrow I will check the homeworks. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.